Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to hide last seen on Instagram. So guys, to do this process, first thing is of course open up your Instagram application into your device. So now to hide your last seen activity status on Instagram, first go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now over here, once you are on your profile, go to the menu by selecting the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Now over here, it will redirect you to the settings. Now guys, over here, you can just simply go ahead and scroll down a little bit until you see over here messages and story replies over here on the how others can interact with you category. So over here, you can just simply go ahead and tap on messages and story replies. And now from here, guys, you will have an option show activity status here on the who can see you online. So go ahead and tap on it. And now from here, make sure that this is turned off and people will not know that you have an active account. And now you could also go for show read the recipient. So from here, others can see when you read their message. So make sure to turn this on as well. And of course, you could change some settings as well over here that you might want to consider based on your personal preferences. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.